viewers, let's unbox this.
Bigfoot Monster climbing 360-degree stunt. Gravity sensor 2.4 gigahertz. Looks amazing, Ayan.
I can't wait to open this. This is our charger, screwdrivers and battery.
This is Speed Pioneer's Bigfoot Monster. It has a suspension system on it. It rotates 360 degrees on its own axis. So playing with this would be a lot of fun. It comes with a motion gravity sensor. This usually you wear it on your hand and gesture to make motions. It comes with a remote control. It does not have an antenna, but is powered by batteries, and it comes with spare batteries to power your gravity sensor.
Let's put the batteries.
Remote control.
Please like, share, subscribe. Bye. Thank you.